Hello, dear garden lovers. Welcome to Beautiful Rose Garden. Roses, the flowers of love, grace, and timeless beauty. Before we begin, if you love gardening and want to see more natural tips like this, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Today, I'll guide you through a beautiful and easy way to propagate roses using simple ingredients, including something unexpected, a rotten carrot. Yes, you heard that right. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the rose cutting. Make room for new growth. Choose a healthy rose branch about 15 centimeters long. Use clean, sharp scissors to cut the base at a gentle angle. Now, take a closer look at the leaves near the bottom of the branch. You'll notice little leaf stems, or leaf sheaths, hugging the stem tightly. Gently remove these leaf bases, especially the ones near where the roots will grow. Why? Because when these are gone, we make room. Room for new roots to form, room for baby shoots to rise. Hold the branch carefully, and with your fingers or a small knife, gently peel or pluck off the lower leaf sheaths. Be gentle, like you're touching something still breathing. Leave the top 2 or 3 leaves if they look healthy. They'll help the branch breathe and stay alive. But removing the rest tells the plant, now it's time to grow from below. Like cleaning a cradle before a baby arrives, we are preparing a safe, clean space for new life to begin. Step 2. Create a natural rooting solution. Now it's time to prepare a special tonic. It's natural, simple, and surprisingly powerful. Take 1 carrot, peel and chop it into small pieces. Put them into a small plastic cup. Carrots, with their bright orange color, are full of vitamins that help roots grow strong. Next, add 2 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced. Garlic acts like a natural protector. It kills harmful fungi and bacteria. Then squeeze a few drops of lemon juice into the cup. Lemon helps stimulate new root growth fast and healthy. Finally, pour in about 50 milliliters of clean water and stir everything together. What you have now is a gentle homemade elixir. Carrot for strength, garlic for protection, lemon for renewal. It's like nature's own lullaby for your rose cutting. Step 3. Soak the rose branch. Gently place the base of your rose branch into the solution. Let it soak for 15 minutes. During this time, the branch will absorb all the goodness from this natural mix. While it soaks, prepare a little magic bed for the cutting. Step 4. Use the carrot as a planting base. Take the remaining piece of carrot, cut it in half. Using a small stick or skewer, make a hole just big enough to insert the rose branch. This carrot will act like a cradle, soft, moist, full of nutrients, keeping your rose steady and safe. Step 5. Make a gentle nursery. Take a clean plastic cup. Place a few layers of toilet paper inside, soft as a cloud. Toilet paper holds water well and creates a cozy space for roots to sprout. Now strain the liquid from earlier. Just the clear part, no pulp. Sprinkle a little of it into the cup to moisten the paper. These drops will nourish the young cutting gently from below. Insert the rose cutting into the carrot, then place it all into the soft paper bed inside the cup. Press gently around the base to keep everything in place. Step 6. Create a mini greenhouse. Push the cutting in about halfway. The top part will grow new leaves. The bottom part will quietly build strong roots. Cover the cup with a plastic bag and seal it with a rubber band or tape. This becomes a tiny greenhouse, warm, moist, and full of hope. Place it in a cool, shaded area. No direct sun, just gentle light and time. Step 7. The waiting game. After about 5 days, check the plastic bag. If you see condensation, little water droplets, it means life has begun. Open it gently. Look inside. You'll see green shoots starting to grow. Remove the cutting and take a closer look. You'll notice young white roots, soft like silk. It worked. This method really helps roses root gently and naturally. Step 8. Plant in coconut fiber. You can use this method for any kind of rose: old garden roses, climbing roses, velvet reds, even imported varieties. Now that your cutting has roots, let's plant it. Prepare a small pot and fill it with processed coconut fiber. Coconut fiber is light, soft, and holds moisture well. Just like a mother's gentle hand, plant the cutting, water lightly, and place it somewhere cool and shaded. That's it. A rose branch, a rotten carrot, a few simple kitchen ingredients, and now you have the beginning of a whole rose garden. Good luck with your first bloom. I hope your garden grows not just in flowers, but also in joy, peace, and love. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment. I'd love to hear how your roses are doing. See you in the next video, right here at Beautiful Rose Garden. Note for voiceover: pause gently between each step. Emphasize nature metaphors softly, e.g. carrot, soft bed, lemon, sour sunshine. Use soothing tones suitable for mature listeners. Target runtime 9 to 10 minutes. Let me know if bạn muốn có thêm bản phụ đề hoặc chuyển sang giọng đọc.